Hi, this is Jim Brickell from Ed Learn Ford, continuing with part 2 of getting to know your 2018 Lincoln Navigator. Question was asked regarding power fold-in outside mirrors. So on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we hit this little symbol here, which refers to settings. So now we've got settings, tow haul, driver assist, towing, and advanced settings. Under advanced settings, we want to hit the OK, vehicle, OK, and then go down. Mirrors, OK, autofold, that would be off. The check mark means they're on. So that's how the autofold mirrors work. When you lock the vehicle, the mirrors will automatically fold in. Continuing along with the big screen, so we have our controls across the bottom, our navigation, we have settings over here, and similar to your phone, you can scroll across. There is an item called personal profile, so you can put in your name, you can get all your memory settings set up to yourself. So would you like to set up a personal profile? You'll hit yes and continue from there. Multi-contoured seats can also be activated from here. That is your massaging seats. So I've got the driver's seat going. Ambient lighting. This gives you a choice of 7 different colors. At nighttime, it can light up in your cup holders and footwell area. If you're in a blue mood, select blue. If you like the little bit different, you can have lilac lighting. So the choice is up to you. Valet mode. If you're going to a place with valet parking, you can set your own 4-digit code, and then that will disable your phone and navigation features, and just let the person in the red jacket go and park your vehicle without having access to your personal stuff. Voice control will give you a list of things that are available and commands you can use. 911 assist in the event you've got a phone paired with the vehicle and you're in a collision. When the driver airbag inflates, your phone would automatically call 911. So that is activated. You can set that up when you pair your phone. Under general, that's where you can choose English, French, or Spanish, kilometers or and distances, kilometers or miles, temperature, Celsius. If you like it having the beep each time you tap something, so you know it's been acknowledged. Clock, very easy to set. Sound, that's where you've got your treble, mid-range, bass, your fade front and back speakers, speed compensated volume, where it automatically goes up as you increase the speed of the vehicle. And then we're back to the home screen. Now as we go down a little below, so once again, that was your start. This is your trailer backup. You turn, once the trailer is hooked up and you're backing up, the direction you turn that is the direction you want the trailer to go. This one here is our camera button. So right now that's showing us the front camera view. That's what's in front of us. And here's our 360-degree camera. So it shows that we've got vehicles on either side of us. This one is just in front, and this one gives a split view, but shows even more of what's out in front. Your 4-way flashers, and down below we have our heated seats, our air-conditioned seats. As you turn them on, you'll get 3 blue lights. The fan speed will come on, medium, low, and then no. Your temperature for the driver, go up and down as you're moving this switch. It is changing on the screen. And then the passenger, they can be at a slightly different temperature if they choose to do so. So your heated steering wheel, your max defrost, dual temperature control if you want to pick where the air is flowing. And that brings us to our drive modes. So we've got conserve, normal 4x4 auto, slippery, your deep conditions, and a slow climb. So you get to set up the vehicle for the conditions that you're currently driving in. This one will shut off your reverse sensors. So if you're towing a trailer, there better be something within 6 feet behind you. And this one here is to activate your auto park system. So when that button is pushed, this is saying select a turn signal, and because it's going to look for a parking spot on one side or the other. Searching for parking space on the right side, drive forward, use turn signal to search on the left. This would be that would be your parallel parking, your perpendicular parking, park out, and turn off. And going up top, we have lights and we have our moonroof. And this one can close the shade back up. So, I hope you enjoy your new vehicle. Please let me know if you ever have any questions, any concerns. My name is Jim Brickell from Ed Learn Ford. Enjoy.